Navs is for the navigation or the menu natin with the use of nav class, nav item, nav link classes. Pwedeng gantong style. Pwedeng naka-center, pwedeng naka-right align, or vertical like this. Nasa inyo yan kung anong style ang gusto niyo. Next one is the nav bar. So we can create nav bar like this, or a nav bar like this. Kopyahin nyo lang yung codes. Pwedeng may image, may text. Yan. Diyan lahat yung code na kailangan nyo. Next is the pagination. If you have search results na sobrang dami, so you can use this one. Popovers. So, click to toggle popover. So, ito yung sample ng popover. So, it needs button para ma-trigger siya. Or a click. An action click para ma-trigger siya. So, progress is, this is an example of a progress. So, you can copy the code, change it, again use the site nyo. Scroll spy. We also use this one, scroll spy. As you can see, when I'm on this part of this sample, naka-highlight to. But when I move down, nag-move siya dito, yung highlight. So, yan yung tinatawag na scroll spy. The next one is spinners. So, ito yung sample ng spinner. Pwede mo gamitin to sa mga pag may loading na part ng site nyo. Toast. So, toast looks like this. Ganyan. So, ito yung sample code niya. And tooltips. So, ito yung tooltip. When you hover something, may lalabas na tip. Or may lalabas na text. Or information about that specific object. So, those are the list of components na ina-offer ni Bootstrap. Again, you can copy the codes from their website, which is yun yung gagawin natin when we create our site. Next is for the utilities. Ito yung mga importante. You can have border in Bootstrap where gagamit ka lang. Let's say for example, may square kang ganito at gusto mong lagyan lahat ng border. So, you will use the border class. Pero pag top lang, ito naman gagamitin mo. Pag right lang, itong class naman. Or bottom or left. So, maraming style dito. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng colors using the border and then the name of that specific color. So, border radius naman, as you can see, mas madali na lang siya when we style our borders. Kasi we'll just have to use the classes na ina-offer ni Bootstrap. So, if we want sa top lang yung may border radius or rounded, so ito yung magiging class name mo. Or kung gusto mong circle, ito naman. Or peel, ito yung magiging itsura niya. Or rounded 0, yan. Cornered yung box mo. So sizes, you can have rounded small, or rounded, LG for large. So that's for the borders. You also have clear fix. So, di ba, may ano tayo, float left and float right. So, parang dun sa HTML CSS natin, gumamit tayo ng clear both. So, parang ganito yan. We can use the class clear fix. And dito, ang pag float left mo and float right, you can just use the class float dash left and float dash right. For the close icon, ito. So, ito yung code niya. Colors, ito yung sabi ko kanina. Pwede ka mag-color sa text. So, just use the class text primary, secondary, success, danger, and more. Pwede din sa background color, just use the BG dash, let's say for example, warning, BG dash info. So, ito yung mga colors na pwede mong gamitin. If wala dito yung gusto mong color, pwede ka pa rin gumawa ng sarili mong CSS file, gaya ng natutunan mo sa HTML and CSS playlist. And then, i-link mo yung HTML document mo. Next, we have display. You can use this code to create this or this and a lot more. Embed is for embedding a video sa site mo. This is an example. This is the sample code. Flex. So this is an example of flex container. Ito yung sample code niya. Float, ito yung sabi ko. You can do float left, float right using the classes. Image replacement. So this swap the text for background image with the image replacement class. This one is for the text selection. So let's say user select all. Pag nag-double click ako dito sa paragraph na text, ang buong sentence is masaselect. While dito, the usual, when you double click, yung specific word lang yung masaselect. While ito, hindi siya masaselect kahit anong click mo. So, that's with the use of these classes. Next, we have overflow. Ito yung sample niya. Next, we have position. So, may position static, relative, absolute, fixed, and sticky. Next is screen readers. So, this is used to hide elements on all devices except screen readers. Next is shadow. Kung gusto nyo maglagay ng shadow sa button maybe or sa isang div, so just use these classes. Sizing, kung gusto nyo ng maliit, malaki, or you can use this one. The class W-25 means that's 25%. This one is 50%, 75, 100. So and this is for the auto. Sa height, meron din. So just use H dash, then the number. Next is for the spacing. Here we have, di ba sa CSS na playlist, natutunan nyo si margin and padding. Na both of them have, you can do margin top, right, bottom, and left. So dito, si margin is represented by M, and padding is represented by P. T is represented by top, B is bottom, L is left, R is right, X is for the both left and right. So that's for the X axis. Y is represented for the both top and bottom. That's Y axis. So when you say MT1, it means margin top of 1. Ito yan. When you say PY-5, it means a padding on the top and bottom of 5. Okay, clear? So this one means margin left 1, margin top 0. Padding X means padding left and right of 2. Then we have the stretched link. This is an example. Next is we have the text. So you can justify the text, center, left align with the use of this classes here. You can also do vertical align with the use of these classes. So ito yung sample niya. In the visibility, we can hide and unhide a specific component in your Bootstrap website. So that's for the documentation. You can also check the other menus here. You'll learn a lot from this site. So let's move on to the examples menu. Here's the list of examples offered by Bootstrap, which are free. So you can also use these templates here. For the icons, so Bootstrap offers icons that you can use. These are in SVG format, but it's not complete compared to the Font Awesome you learned from the HTML CSS playlist. We can use this one and also use Font Awesome at the same time. So another one is the themes offered by Bootstrap. These are paid. So you can choose if you're looking for a theme and just wanted to edit it. You can use this one. Expo, you can just check it. And then the blog, Bootstrap blog. So they have this news. So I think that's it. So again, this is Bootstrap. For the next video, I will show you how to download and start a project using Bootstrap.